Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to redeem codes inside Fetch, in particular Fetch Rewards. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a couple of different ways to do this. So the first way is to open up the Fetch Rewards app and then make sure to log into your account or create a new one if you don't have one. And then from there you want to go to the Me tab. So tap on the Me icon at the bottom of the screen to access your profile, and then scroll down to find the enter a referral code option and tap on it. And from there, type the referral or promo code in the provided field and submit tap. You should receive a confirmation message that the code has been successfully redeemed and any associated points or rewards have been added to your account. A side note, some codes might have specific conditions or time limits, so make sure you meet any requirements for the code to be valid. And if you're entering a code for the first time during account setup, there might be an option to enter it directly at the sign up process.